Hey guys, Rini here from Simply Rini, and welcome to my channel. If you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I provide weekly tips and tricks to help you live a more natural life. So today I wanted to talk about a subject that is near and dear to my heart. It is about the top 6 uplifting essential oils that you can use in your home. So the first essential oil I want to talk about is bergamot. So I love bergamot. It helps to reduce feelings of stress. And it helps to kind of uplift your mood. So that is a great essential oil. The second essential oil is ylang ylang. So ylang ylang helps to promote a positive outlook, and it has that uplifting benefits as well. So I actually love ylang ylang, and I actually have a roller bottle. I pre-diluted a roller bottle, and I have it beside my bed at night, and each night I just roll it on the bottoms of my feet before I go to bed. It is one of my favorite oils to use, especially before bed. So that's the second one. The third one is a wild orange, and this helps to uplift your mood as well. If you can tell with the bergamot and the wild orange, a lot of the citrus essential oils are great at uplifting your mood. So wild orange is definitely a great one for that as well. So a little diffuser hack, if you do not have a diffuser, is you can add the essential oils into the palm of your hand, add some carrier oil into it, rub them together, and then cup them over your nose and deeply inhale for 3 breaths. And you will get a lot of the same benefits that diffusers offer, but without having to spend money on a diffuser. Although I do think a diffuser is a great investment, but if you don't have one yet, don't worry, that works great as well. So the next one is lemon essential oil, another citrus oil, and it's great at uplifting and energizing. The 5th essential oil is frankincense, and frankincense is just so great at balancing your mood. I use frankincense every single day, and if I forget to use frankincense, I can definitely tell. So it's definitely a great one to uplift and help to balance your mood and to support really your whole body. So frankincense is just a great oil to have. I like to roll it on the bottoms of my feet and then also use it in the diffuser. The last essential oil I want to talk about is rose essential oil. So rose essential oil has some great uplifting emotional benefits with that oil as well. So we like to call it the queen of essential oils. If frankincense is the king of essential oils, because there's so many great uses, rose is the queen of essential oils. So it's just a great essential oil to have on hand, and also provides those uplifting benefits that I don't know about you, but I definitely need each and every day. So I hope those help, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. If you want some more great essential oil recipes, I have a link below to the top 10 diffuser blends freebie for you guys. So make sure you grab it in the link below. It is a freebie, top 10 diffuser blends for you guys. Some great blends that you can use in your diffuser starting today. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next week.